Hello everyone, welcome back to the course. In this video, I'm going to teach you about the different headings of HTML. So on your desktop, double click on the Notepad++ icon. So I have the editor open here. Now let us open the HTML tag. Always remember, you have to close the tag simultaneously. So I have opened the HTML tag. Now open the head tag. And simultaneously close the head tag. Within the head tag, give the title tag, title, and simultaneously close it. Within the title, write the title of this HTML page. So I'm going to give the title as headings since we are going to learn headings today. So headings, yeah, it's done. Now go to the body, open the body tag, close it simultaneously. Now within the body tag, I'm going to give the heading. So open a tag and write H1. Now write a text here, anything as you like. The first heading. Now close the H1 tag. So the first heading is my text here and within the H1 tag. So let us see what happens in the output. So save this first. Click on the save icon. Now save it. Save wherever you want and remember where you are saving. So I'm going to save it on my desktop. So click on desktop and write the file name. I'm giving heading.html. Don't forget this .html. So save it. Now minimize the editor. As you can see, my heading.html is created. So I'm going to just double click on it and wait for it to open. Give it a while. So as you can see, the first heading is shown here. So this was our first heading. Now let us add another tag called h2 and give a text here. Suppose the second heading and then close the tag h2. Now save it and let us see what happens in the output. So go back to it and just reload it. So here is my second heading. As you can see, this h1 and h2, they are basically the heading tags where h1 has the largest size and as you go further then the size decreases. In HTML there are 6 heading types. So I'm going to test all. So right here h3, then give the text, the third heading. Okay, now close the tag h3. Similarly h4, 5 and 6. So copy it, paste it, just change the tags. Now write here fourth. So checking all at a time will give us the idea of how these 4 headings will look like on the screen. So h5, you can write the 5th heading. Yes. Now close it once again. And the last h6. Right here the 6th heading and close the h tag. So now save it, go back to Chrome or with whatever browser you're using and just reload. So as you can see the variation in the size of the headings as we move from H1 to H6. As we go down, the size also decreases. So you can use your heading tag as per your convenience. Thanks for watching guys. In the next videos, there are lots more for you to come.